Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naturally KPT. Thank you so much for tuning in. Before we begin, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So in this video, we are going to be doing a DIY conditioner, and I'll show you guys how I maintain my faux locks for a long period of time. So the first thing you want to do is cut up an entire aloe vera and take all the skin off. Then we are going to completely blend it up very smoothly. After that, we are going to strain it. We are mostly straining it because I want to avoid any additional buildup, seeing that I will have these locks in for a long period of time, and extra buildup is going to cause the hair to lock faster, and I'm not keeping these in forever, so I just want to minimize, how long that's going to take. This will probably be the most time consuming part. So we are also going to add coconut water to the pre-strained aloe vera. Yes, this is coconut water that you drink. It's going to help create a more watery substance as opposed to the thick foamy substance. But besides that, coconut water is a great source of electrolytes, and it has a lot of nutrients and will help with dryness of your hair. So here we have BTM, bihentramonium metasulfate. Despite what the name says, it does not contain sulfur. It is a great detangler and moisturizer, and is probably in most of your conditioners. We're just going to melt it in the microwave for about 30 seconds and then add it to our strained aloe vera and coconut water mixture. Then we're also going to add castor oil to our mixture of BTM, aloe vera, and coconut water. So now that we added everything, we're just going to blend it all up together. It's going to be like a white creamy look that is due to the BTM. Again, it is used in conditioners. Is it just me, or this look like a nice cup of milk for some tea or cereal? But anyways, once it's all blended up, we're going to add it to another container and add all essential oils: lavender, tea tree, and peppermint. Essential meaning 100% natural. So before we blended it all up together, we just added some more BTMS because we wanted a thicker consistency. As you saw, it was kind of watery, so we just added some more BTMS. The consistency and the products used can also be for a body lotion, but we're using it for a conditioner. But that is all the steps and the products that we use. We have come to the end. Now we are just going to show how I applied it to my hair and my wash process. So now we have a spray bottle that contains aloe vera gel and coconut water. The coconut water can be fresh or from the bottle. We use it from the bottle as previously shown. And then we are just going to spray the entire head. This is a pre-conditioner treatment to add extra moisture to the hair. Once we spray the entire head, we are going to just rub it in all throughout the locks to get it saturated in the hair. So this right here is 6 months worth of new growth, and because of all this new growth, and I'm keeping these locks in for a total of 12 months eventually, I just want to make sure that I'm taking good care of my hair, which is under the locks. They are the length of these locks. So yes, I'm just making sure that I treat it as I would my regular hair, with conditioning and shampooing as normally.
There is no extensions under these locks. This is her natural hair under there, and the locks are just wrapped over her hair. So this is the end of her natural hair sticking out of the lock. So this is how we grow, and we maintain the length. We've been doing this now for how long? How many years? You would say,
because you started the locks?
No, because you get locks like every year.
Yeah.
just about, you only really wear your hair out what 1 month,
Yeah.
if that much. So how long? How, I would say, what, 4 years?
Yeah, like 5 years I've been.
Yes, every year.
Yeah.
All right, get these locks done, and you get a lot of growth. You maintain your length with healthy moisture, and so you'll be taking these out
In another 6 months. Yes, so I'll be keeping it in for a year, as the video says.
Yeah.
Title.
So we're excited to see like where it's gonna be
Yeah.
in about a year. We'll see, right?
Yeah. I'll do a before and after, like of my length last year to when I take it out at the end of this year. So
Yeah, yeah.
stay tuned. If your hair does not lather up when you shampoo it, that means it's dirty and you should give it another wash.